Pero ang maganda kasi yung mga bata, ito ang napansin ko. It teaches them responsibility at a very young age.
That is right.
Kasi talagang wala kang choice. Pag gising mo, you can't sleep in. You need to wake up and relieve them, di ba? Parang ganun.
Or put food in their bowl or whatever. Make sure they're eating or
and walk them, di ba? And
Yes,
play with them. So depende sa aso. May mga aso na kailangan ng a lot of energy, di ba? May aso naman na chill lang, katulad ni Pinky. Ganyan, chill lang siya. Oo nga. So it really depends. Pero for me, I think yung mga anak ko, I kind of help them with their development. Kasi during the time na lumalaki sila, it teaches them responsibility. And hey, this is part of our family. We need to care for someone else, not just, you. Kahit ano pang edad sila.